Futuristic gadgets aren't just for the tech-savvy elite. They're for anyone ready to embrace tomorrow's possibilities. Explore the top 12 best futuristic gadgets worldwide and buckle up for an adventure into the future. For more details and prices, check the links in the description below. Number 1. Vuzix M400 Smart Glasses. With built-in AR capabilities, these glasses seamlessly integrate digital information into your real-world environment, whether you're on the job or exploring new horizons. Stay connected like never before with hands-free communication, GPS navigation, and access to critical data right before your eyes. From seamless navigation to on-the-go productivity, these glasses revolutionize how you interact with the world around you. Despite this, the Vuzix M400 smart glasses offer unparalleled convenience and innovation, making them a must-have for anyone ready to embrace the future of wearable technology. Number 2. Sunnybag Iconic Solar Backpack. The integrated 7-watt solar panel. Harnessing the power of the sun, it charges your devices on the go, ensuring you're never left in the dark. Next, the USB port provides seamless connectivity, allowing you to charge your smartphone, tablet, or any USB-compatible device wherever you are. And for the ultimate convenience, wireless charging is made possible with the specially designed outer pockets, making it easier than ever to stay powered up. Now, let's talk storage. With a generous 20 liters of space and a dedicated 17-inch laptop compartment. Number 3. Amovan Smart Ring Health Tracker. Let's start with sleep analysis, an invaluable tool for optimizing your rest and recovery, ensuring you wake up refreshed and ready to tackle the day. With up to 14 days of battery life in smartwatch mode, you can stay connected and motivated without constantly worrying about recharging. And with the built-in pulse oximeter, you can monitor your blood oxygen levels throughout the day and during sleep. Don't settle for ordinary upgrade to extraordinary. Number 4. Garmin Venu 3. Providing vibrant colors and crisp clarity for easy viewing in any lighting conditions with is AMOLED display. With a wide range of sport profiles, including strength training, cardio, the Venu 3 ensures you're always one step ahead of your fitness goals. This smartwatch also offers in-depth sleep analysis, helping you optimize your rest for better overall health and performance. Stay connected on the go with Garmin Pay, allowing you to make secure payments directly from your wrist, perfect for those quick post-workout refuels. Number 5. Welt Smart Belt. With a sensor inside the buckle and a marker inside the strap, you can easily track your waist size with precision. But it's not just about waist size. This smart belt also measures your sitting duration, helping you stay mindful of your sedentary habits throughout the day. And with an unbelievable 45+ days of battery life. No more overwhelming data. Welt organizes all your health insights into one intuitive screen, making it easy to understand and act upon. Plus, with push messages providing real-time feedback on your activity. Don't just wear a belt, wear a Welt and take control of your health today. Number 6. Vinci Jr. 1.0 Pro 3D Printer. It's perfect for fitting on any desk or workspace without compromising on performance. With support for a wide range of filaments, including PLA, PETG, and TP, the Vinci Jr. 1.0 Pro ensures you can print everything from prototypes to finished products with ease. It's so much beginner-friendly, and with automatic bed leveling and calibration, you can spend less time tinkering with settings and more time bringing your visions to life. Plus, with precise printing capabilities and high-resolution output, your creations will be nothing short of extraordinary. Number 7. Waymo Self-Driving Car Technology. Powered by cutting-edge AI algorithms, Waymo Driver continuously analyzes real-time data to make split-second decisions, ensuring a safe and smooth ride for passengers. But it's not just about technology. Waymo Driver prioritizes passenger comfort with spacious interiors and luxurious amenities, creating an unparalleled ride experience. And with zero emissions, Waymo Driver is not only changing the way we travel, but also helping to create a cleaner, greener future for all. Plus, with the convenience of autonomous driving, passengers can reclaim their time and focus on what matters most, whether it's work, relaxation, or simply enjoying the ride. Number 8. Yale Assure Lock. With the Yale Access app, you can lock, unlock, and monitor your door from anywhere. No additional hub needed keeping you in control, no matter where you are. And with the auto lock feature, your door will automatically lock behind you as you come and go, providing added peace of mind. But that's not all. Control your lock with ease using voice commands through Alexa, Hey Google, or Siri, making it effortless to manage your home security. And with battery notifications from Alexa, you'll always know when it's time to replace your batteries, ensuring your lock never loses power when you need it most. Number 9. Amazon's Astro Home Robot. Powered by Amazon's cutting-edge technology, Astro can navigate your home with ease, perform tasks, and even interact with family members. With built-in voice assistant integration, Astro responds to your commands, whether it's setting reminders or answering questions, making it the ultimate hands-free assistant. And thanks to its compact design and omnidirectional wheels, Astro can navigate tight spaces and easily move from room to room, ensuring it's always where you need it most. Number 10. Manus Prime 3 Haptic XR. Its advanced sensors and haptic feedback technology, every movement is tracked and felt with incredible realism. And with intuitive controls at your fingertips, you'll have complete command over your virtual environment, whether you're training or exploring new places. But it's not just about performance. The Manus Prime 3 is also designed for comfort, with ergonomic grips and lightweight materials that allow for extended use without fatigue. Plus, with wide compatibility across leading VR platforms, including Oculus, Steamver, and more, the Manus Prime 3 ensures seamless integration with your existing setup. Number 11. Xiaomi Brushless Motor Screwdriver. Experience the ultimate in power and precision with the Xiaomi Brushless Motor Screwdriver. Its electromechanically integrated design ensures safe, spark-free operation, while the smart display provides real-time feedback on operating modes and gear speed. Switch effortlessly between modes to tackle any task, from delicate screwdriving to precise drilling. With automatic torque detection and safe pulse mode, it's perfect for beginners and pros alike. Versatile and adaptable, it efficiently handles wood, metal, and plastic. Plus, its minimalist screwless design offers comfort and style. Revolutionize your toolkit with Xiaomi's cutting-edge innovation. Number 12. Hotdot Hand Warmers. Experience uninterrupted warmth with our third-generation hand warmer, boasting an impressive 16-hour battery life, a 50% increase from previous models. Enjoy instant heat in just 1 second thanks to our cutting-edge heating technology. With NTC precision temperature control, stay safe and cozy without overheating. Our hand warmer prioritizes safety with multiple protections, including overcharging and leakage prevention. Embrace the outdoors with 3 heat settings to suit any environment. Customers rave about its temperature control, value, and charging speed, making it perfect for outdoor or everyday adventures. Say goodbye to cold hands with our advanced hand warmer technology. Thank you for joining us in exploring the best futuristic gadgets of 2024. Drop a comment below about which one caught your eye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content.